You know, you can test your product in the laboratory, you can test it on the streets, but if you really want to measure your product, go to motorsports. Anything automotive, it's being pushed to the max there. TriboTEX, Pasha, how is it being used in racing?
TriboTEX transmission really shine in cutting-edge industrial and racing applications. We had unlimited hydroplane team reached out to us. You guys can do something with our gearbox. We use nice oil there, but it doesn't really last as long as we want. They used to travel with 6 gearboxes to every show so they can last through whole season. We instrumented one gearbox, treated with the TriboTEX, and then we seen several things. One, the temperature went down, so less temperature, less friction, more power goes to the prop. Second thing, this gearbox outlasted everything else they had. The transmission lasted 3 times longer, and team won 2 championships and break the lake record.
The heat was going into that gearbox, but now you've been able to take that heat and turn it into raw energy. So how much horsepower are you giving them now that they didn't have before?
On every coupling, gears lose some energy, so when we're able to recover it back, it goes back to the prop. So on this particular gearbox, on 3,000 horsepower, we gained about 300 horsepower back to propel the hydroplane.
Unbelievable. And what kind of forces are we talking? You know, physically, 3,000 horsepower, and you're turning that screw.
It is a helicopter turbine coupled to the prop on little tiny boat to fly slightly above the water. We talk about a lot.
Well, if TriboTEX can work at forces like that, it can certainly work in your car or your motorcycle. Give them a look. Check out TriboTEX.com. Truly some cool technology behind TriboTEX. And you know, we have stuff like that every week on our show. We bring you the coolest aftermarket products, the highest tech stuff for your ride. So check us out once again next week when we do it again.